Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Only 5 students.
Good morning, sir. Bhakti Khandelwal present. Sir, what we are doing?
We have not started anything yet. We will start now.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we have to do exercise 18.1.
Okay, so yeah, so we have which chapter we are doing?
Okay, sir. Good morning, sir.
We have to start 18.1.
Triangles and quadrilaterals chapter we have started.
Yes, sir.
And have you started doing the exercise? No, not yet. I think.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Can you tell me what you have written in your copies?
We have written
Okay, sir.
Triangles.
6 types of triangles.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have not.
Yes, sir.
We have not written the angle sum property in the copy, so that we will write down first.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. How are you? Abhiyan? अभियान बेटा कैसे हो?
Sir, fine. How are you?
Fine. तो क्या रही होगी? भरत कैसे हो बेटा?
Sir, good.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, so triangles and quadrilaterals is the chapter going on. Triangles and quadrilaterals. Write down the heading, all of you. Angle sum property.
Sir, angles and property.
This is the heading you have to note down in your copies. Angle sum property. And after writing this, then you have to make a triangle with the help of a pencil. Draw a triangle like this. माइक ऑफ करो भरत.
Okay, sir.
Note down in your copies.
Sir, wait a minute.
Yes. Okay, have you all written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Sir, written.
Yes, sir, written.
Yes, sir. Done all.
Done?
Sir, done.
Okay. I'm removing it, okay? So let me explain what is this first of all, before removing it from the board. Angle sum property of a triangle means whenever you add all the three angles of a triangle. Okay. You know what are angles? Do you know what angle is this? What is this angle? Can you tell me what is the measure of this angle? How much?
Sir, 90 degree. Sir, 90 degree.
90 degrees angle. Okay. So this is a 90-degree angle. 180 degrees कैसे बनाएंगे? This is 180 degree. Am I right? This whole angle is 180 degree.
Yes, sir.
It is a straight line.
Yes, sir.
मालूम है? This is the right angle. This is known as, what is this? This is known as straight angle. मालूम है आपको ये सब angles की measurement पता है ना? So
Yes,
if I
sir.
tell you that this angle is, suppose you don't have to write in your copies now. So if I tell you that this angle is 80 degrees, this is 60 degrees, and this is 40 degrees, then whenever you add all the three angles, the sum is always 180. You add 80 plus 60 plus 40 and tell me what is the sum. 80 plus 60 plus 40, क्या आएगा sum?
80 plus 60,
180. 180. Sir, 180. 180.
180.
So whenever you add all the three angles of a triangle, whatever type of triangle it is, doesn't matter. Whether it is a right angle triangle or a scalene triangle or an equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, कैसा भी triangle हो, whenever you add all the three angles of a triangle, the sum is always
180.
180 degrees. Clear? Sum क्या आएगा हमेशा 180
Yes,
degrees.
sir.
Okay. So let me give you one more example of this. Understood? Here the same thing is written. Angle ABC मतलब कौन सा वाला angle? This angle. Angle ABC. This angle. This is known as angle ABC. Just a minute. So this is angle ABC. Angle ABC plus angle ACB. This is your angle ACB plus angle BAC. BAC is this angle BAC. ये वाला BAC. So all the three angles when you add, the sum is always 180 degrees. चाहे कुछ भी हो एंगल की वैल्यू, सम लेकिन 180 ही आएगी. Okay. Let's see one more example मैं यहाँ पे देता हूँ आपको. Suppose if I add this is a triangle in which this is.
Sir, this also we have to make.
No. Don't make anything now. This is just for your explanation. Okay. Don't make anything in your copies now. This is 70. This is 40. Sorry. Let's take it as 50. 70 plus 50 plus 60. So just add all the three angles and check whether the sum is 180 or not. What is the sum? 70 degrees plus 50 degrees plus 60 degrees. Add and tell me what
180 degrees.
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Okay. Whenever you add all the three angles of a triangle, the sum is always 180 degrees. Okay. Okay. Understood? It is a very simple thing. Okay,
Yes,
now
sir.
I will be asking you a question. You have to tell me whether the triangle is possible or not. Okay, this type of triangle is possible or not possible. Okay. So I'm telling you that there is a triangle. The first angle, angle A, मान लेते हैं. It is suppose 60 degrees. Angle B is suppose 30 degrees, and angle C is 80 degrees. So is this type of triangle possible? ऐसा कोई triangle बनाना?
No sir, because they all are 170 degree.
Where
No,
the,
sir, not.
170 degrees. Sir, this is 170 degrees.
so if you add all the three angles, 60 plus 30 plus 80, what is the sum? In this case,
170 degrees.
So,
170.
so
This type of
170.
triangle is not possible. ऐसा triangle बनाना possible नहीं है. यानी कि the given information is wrong. आगे बात समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's not possible to make such a triangle. Okay, एक और देता हूँ. You have to tell me whether this is possible or not. So first angle is suppose there is a triangle. मतलब let's see if it is possible or not. This is suppose 65 degrees. This is 35 degrees, and this is 80 degrees. So this triangle is possible or not? Tell me.
Possible. 180 degrees.
Sir,
180 degree.
possible, sir. It's possible, sir. The total answer is 180 degree.
Okay, very good. So when you add 65 plus 35 plus 80, the sum is 65 plus 35 is 100. 100 plus 80 is 180 degrees. Yes, so this type of triangle is possible. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Acha, if I tell you that there is a triangle where I give you only two angles, can you find the third one?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, I will find.
Suppose if I tell you that it is a triangle. Yes, it is a triangle. And two angles I gave. If I give you two angles of this triangle, suppose this angle is 70 degrees. This is 40 degrees. Can you tell me the measure of the third angle?
70 degrees. 70 degrees.
70 degree इतनी जल्दी बता दिया तुम लोगों को पहले से पता?
70 degree.
70 degree.
70.
What is the measure of the third angle? 70 degrees.
70 degrees. Yes, sir.
70 degree.
कैसे पता चला 70 है?
Sir,
Because when we are 70 and 40, so there is 110. And 180. So,
40, and that will be forming 180.
Okay, very good, very very clever students. So let me just add these two. 70 plus 40. इन दोनों को ऐड करके क्या मिला मुझे? 110. So what should I add in 110? Third angle में क्या ऐड करूँगा 110 में? So that the sum is equal to 180. 110 में क्या ऐड करेंगे कि 180 आ जाए? What should I add?
70.
70.
Should add 70 more. So 70. If this angle is 70, so 110 plus 70, the sum is 180 degrees.
180.
Okay. So there is one more easy method to find out. Very simple method. What to do? If I give you any two angles and you have to find the third one, if the third one is missing. So there is a very easy method to do this. What you do? You add these two angles. What is the sum? 110. And
Yes, sir.
add the sum of these two from 180. 180 में से इन दोनों का sum minus कर दीजिए. So 180 minus 110, you get 140.
70.
70 degrees. I'm sorry. 70 डिग्री. So this is your answer. This is the value of the third angle. Easy है, निकाल सकते हैं आप लोग अगर मैं दे दूं ऐसे ही कुछ अभी.
Yes, sir.
Don't do
Yes,
this.
sir.
Don't do this in your copy. Just if you want to do some calculation, do it in rough. Okay. Don't do this in your fair copies.
Sir, we can write the answer in chat box.
Yes, you can give me your answer in the chat box. No one is going to shout the answer. Don't send your answers in a voice message. Send me a text message in the chat box. Okay.
Sir, I have a query.
Yes.
Sir, if we convert like that, we add 3 decimal numbers and the answer is 180.5. So sir, 180.5 degree is a number.
180.5 degree is a number, but this type of triangle is not possible where the sum of the three angle is 180.5. हो सकता है 180.5 तीन angles का sum हो सकता है, but it will not form a triangle.
Okay sir.
Okay, ready for the question, all of you? Give your answer in the chat box, okay?
Okay, sir.
Find the third angle. Answers in the chat box.
Sir, I've sent.
Sir, by mistake I sent a O to you.
No problem.
Sir, I have also sent the answer.
Very good. Anji, others?
Sir, first I have sent wrong answer, so sir, please check my second one answer.
Sir, we have to make.
Okay.
Sir, we have to make.
No, you don't have to write or don't make anything in your copies. This is to be done in rough. Anyone else sending the answer?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have sent my third one answer.
Sir, by mistake, my one answer was please read.
Okay.
Sir, please tell the next question.
Yes. Great. Okay, so your answer is 50 degrees. 50 degrees is the right answer.
Sir, my answer was correct.
So first one to
So
give
my
the
answer is also correct.
first, second is Bhakti, third is Aspa, fourth is Abhiyan. अभियान ने पहले गलत दिया था, भक्ति ने पहले सही दिया, फिर गलत दिया, फिर से सही दे दिया. 3 times Bhakti gave the answer. First correct, second wrong, third again correct. भक्ति ऐसा क्यों, पहले बीच में गलत क्यों दे दिया?
So there is confusion. So
Okay, so the correct answer is 50 degrees. Abhiyan, very good. Abhiyan, Bhakti, and Asfa and Ansharya. Very good. Others, why you all have not sent me your answers? May I know? Okay, you all should send the answers. Okay, one more question. You all will send the answers in the chat box. Send me your answers in the chat box. Yes, give me your answers in the chat box. Giving correct answer is more important. Then keep this in your mind. Giving the correct answer is more important than giving the answer first. Correct answer देना ज़्यादा important है. Okay. Don't be any kind of hurry.
Sir, I'll send you the answer. Sir, me too.
Don't be in any kind of hurry. Just do it properly, do it correctly, and then send your answer.
So my first one is wrong, but my second one is
That is
correct.
why I am saying this. Do it correctly first and then send it. Say hello, Bhakti. Say hello to your sister from my side. Yes, Bhakti, you said hello to your sister.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He replied.
So he said that I go because of Shopner.
No problem in that.
So I have Shopner, so he wants it. Sir, I said.
And then she replied or not?
She replied.
Okay. Okay, so anyone else sending the answer? Same students have sent the answers again. No one else? Bharat, are you not sending the answer? Bharat, have you not understood? Bharat, Hamza, Narayani, Rishabh Shukla, Yash Tikiani. Yes? Send the answers, all of you. Bharat, Hamza, Narayani, Rishabh, Yash.
Sir, please tell the position.
The position. First of all, let me tell you the correct answer. The correct answer is 38 degrees. 38. Okay. 38 is the correct answer. So what is the sum of these two angles? 60 plus 82. The sum is 142 degrees. And now from 180 you subtract 142. What do you get? You get 38 degrees. So this is the answer. 38. हाँ जी अभियान क्या हो गया? जल्दी जल्दी कर दिया अभियान. First is Ansharya, second is Asfa because Bhakti gave the wrong answer. Abhiyan also gave the wrong answer first. So that is why Asfa is second and then third is Bhakti. Very good. Yes, Rishabh, are you sending the answer? Are you doing it, Rishabh? Okay, next question. Next one. Sorry. Next question. Okay. So 43 degrees, 69 degrees. What is the third angle?
Sir, we have to write this in a notebook.
No, beta, in your rough copies. Do it in your rough copy. This is just for practice.
Okay, sir.
And send your answers in the chat box. Do it in rough and send your answer in the chat box. Don't be in any kind of hurry. Just do it correctly and then send the answer. Okay. जल्दी नहीं करनी है.
Sir, I sent the answer.
Sir, I
Sir,
have
me
also
too.
sent the answers.
Very good.
Sir, please tell the position.
Let me wait for others also. Let me see that they are sending the answer or not. Narayani, Hamza, Yash, Bharat, Rishabh. Send the answers. Not sending. Okay, the correct answer is 68 degrees.
8. Yes, sir.
Sir, my answer was correct.
68.
Sir, I also. Degree.
69 plus 43. The sum is 112.
12.
And 180 minus 112 is equal to
68 degree.
In this, because we know
Yes,
that
sir.
the sum of all the three angles is always 180. So in दोनों
Yes,
की
sir.
sum add कर लेंगे and then you subtract from 180 the sum of these two. 112.
Yes, sir.
180 minus 112 is 68. So that means the missing angle is 68 degrees.
Sir, I got it wrong.
Okay, so let me tell who's the first. The first one to give the correct answer is Bhakti Khandelwal is the first. Second to give the correct answer is Abhiyan Duhan. Abhiyan Duhan, where are you? I want to see a video. Are you celebrating or not? And the third one, I want to see the celebration. Okay. Abhiyan, where are you? Yash. Yash, why are you not giving the answer, beta? Yash. Third one is Asfa. Correct answer. Asfa is happy, but she is not celebrating. She is celebrating through an emoji. Okay. Online celebration. No physical celebration. Everything is going on online. Okay, very good. So that is it for today's class. We will meet